Understanding mouse click, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in the digital world, mouse click. This term is often used in the context of computers and technology, so understanding it can be really helpful in today's digital age. A mouse click refers to the action of pressing a button on a computer mouse. This simple action is a fundamental part of interacting with computers. There are generally two types of clicks, a left click and a right click. Each serves a different purpose. Left click. This is the most common type of click. It's used for selecting items, opening files, and interacting with software. Right click. This provides additional options or a context menu, offering more actions related to the selected item. Understanding the term mouse click is crucial because it's a basic component of computer literacy. It's used in various instructions and guides, such as navigating websites. Instructions often include phrases like click on the link or click to download. Software usage. Most software tutorials will use terms like right-click to open settings or left-click to select the tool. To get a better grasp, let's look at some common sentences where mouse click is used. 1. Just a single mouse click can open your email. 2. Be careful where you click. It might open unwanted websites. 3. To save the file, right-click and select Save As. By understanding these examples, you can easily follow digital instructions in English. And that's it for mouse click. I hope this video has made you more comfortable with this common tech-related term. Remember, understanding such phrases is a key part of becoming proficient in English, especially in our tech-driven world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.